what's up? This is Suma and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all just doing well. Again, I am making something out of leggings, and this time is neck pillow. It's very useful while traveling or even during work and all. It's very easy to make also. It hardly takes 10 minutes. You don't need anything, you just need an old leggings. Okay, so without wasting much time, let's get started. First, mark a point for the length which you want for the pillow. Now I am using the scale for the measurement. Take 7 inch and mark on the upper side of the leggings. Here take 5.5 inch on both the sides. And here 3.5 inch. Now join all the points in a curvy manner. Leaving the margin of 1 inch, cut it out. We are leaving this margin because we have to stitch, and some space we should always leave in case it turned out small. Turn it inside out. Secure it with awl pin. And stitch this over the awl pin. Don't stitch this part as we have to fill fiber through this hole. After stitching, it will look like this. Turn the right side out. Now we need fiber to fill the pillow. You can get this fiber from the shops where they make pillows and mattresses. Now fill it inside through this hole. After that, we will close this hole by stitching. So if you like this video, give a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. Also don't forget to share this video with your friends, family members. Also click the bell icon so that you never miss my videos whenever I upload new one. And it's free of course, so do it guys. So guys, I will see you soon in my next video. Bye bye.